Moving on to more breaking inputs, we're picking up. The Delhi High Court has dismissed the plea seeking to replace EVMs with ballot papers. A bench of Chief Justice D.N. Patel and Jyoti Singh imposed a cost of 10,000 rupees on the petitioner. The court said that the plea is a public interest litigation which has been filed only by reading newspaper reports. The court further said that the petitioner has no knowledge of the working of EVMs, which is approved by both the ECI and the Parliament. Ananya joining us live with more details on the same. Ananya, you have the court essentially declining this particular petition and now further imposing a fine on the same. Take us through the observations in detail.
Well, yes, Kritsween, the Delhi High Court was hearing the application, the plea filed by C.R. Jayasukin seeking to replace the EVMs with ballot papers. While the court was hearing the petition, it took up a long hearing. However, at the end of it, Chief Justice D.N. Patel clearly stated that this is a publicity interest litigation and not a public interest litigation. In fact, he said that the petitioner has no knowledge of EVMs, the working of EVMs, which has been mandated by the Election Commission of India and also the Parliament under the Representation of People's Act. It in fact imposed a cost of rupees 10,000. However, it granted the liberty to the petitioner to approach the court again after doing proper research and gaining knowledge on how the EVMs work. In fact, ASG Chetan Sharma, who was appearing for the central government, the ECI, clearly told the court that the cost should have been more off on the petition, because such petitions are basically a hinge on to the ECI and are publicity interest litigation. Now the court has imposed a cost of rupees 10,000, which would be used in the basically providing justice to people who are not able to access justice due to having financial constraint, and this amount would be in fact be deposited with the registry of the High Court and would be given to people who are basically in need of
publicity interest litigation and not a public interest litigation, thereby dismissing the plea as well. Thank you, Ananya. For the moment, we'll have to leave it.